Once you have downloaded the Convene app, it is very easy to use. Open the app and locate the SARM Annual Convention. Once you have opened the event, you will see the event schedule or agenda. You can scroll days by clicking the arrows near the date. If you click into an agenda item, you may find a description and also a place to make notes under the I. More information on the speaker. And if you click this star following a session, you can rate it out of 5 stars. Under the menu, you can find a list of speakers, their bios, and when they will be speaking. Under Event Info, you can download and view documents that we have uploaded into the app.